What are the complications of a hernia? The complications of a hernia could be either obstruction or it could be strangulation. The skin over the hernial sac can get thin and sloughed out. And last is there can be an ulcer in the skin and all the hernial contents can come out. That is an extreme complication of a hernia. What do you mean by an obstructed hernia? An obstructed hernia is a hernia wherein the intestine is trapped in the hernial sac and is not allowed to enter back into the peritoneal cavity from where it came. How does a person know that the hernia is obstructed? The first very important thing is pain will start. The person will have nausea and even vomiting, and the pain will be uncontrollable. The swelling where the hernia is present, that will increase in size. If this is untreated, then it goes into the next level of complication, which is strangulation. What does strangulation mean? When the blood supply to the intestine in the hernial sac is cut off, then that intestine becomes lifeless, and this is called as strangulation. The color of the intestine changes from pink to purplish and becomes darker, and if left untreated can even turn black. What are the problems with long-standing hernias? Long-standing hernias, the skin over the hernia gets thinner and thinner, and in due course there is a breach in the skin, which means that skin starts sloughing off and finally a hole forms in that skin and the intestine contents can come out through that skin. This is an extreme complication and we should take care to avoid this complication.